Is it possible to generate 3D characters from this stable diffusion? The truth is out there. First, we are going to create our alien is stable diffusion. I use the Rev animated model with a prompt on the screen, but you can use any combination as long as it gives you an image not too detailed and with recognizable features. Remember to use an image with an aspect ratio of 1:1. I use 512 for 512 since it is easy to do math with it. After checking that the image output is fine, we go ahead and generate a bunch of images. We check the results. Keep in mind that even if cute, a character without a mech may give us nightmarish results when rigged later, so something like the pink background one should work fine. We then upscale the image using the X tab. I found out that a resolution of 2048 for 2048 works fine with a 3D generation. Too low and the details may come up fused together. We are then going to use Dreamgaussian, which allows image to 3D and even text to 3D, even though the results are still to be improved. Link to the GitHub repo and the commands in the description below. Once installed, we are going to place our upscaled image in a Dreamgaussian's data folder, change the extension to JPG, and with a terminal run the process.py with our image. Since we have a 2048 for 2048 image, we need to specificate the size by adding size 2048 after the command, or it will be rescaled to 256 for 256. This will generate a PNG with blank background and RGB profile. Then we meet rendering Gaussian using the main.py with a config file on the PNG with our background that we created and named the output. This will create in the logs folder a Gaussian splatting trained in 500 epochs. I tried with more, like 1000 or 5000, but the results were inconsistent. Based on that Gaussian splatting, a mesh and an UV wrap are generated. We are going to train the mesh using the command similar to the one before, but running main.py this time. This will create a more detailed mesh that can be used in nearly any 3D software. We are going to take a look at Blender first. Since it creates AMTL file as well, we just need to import the OBJ file in Blender, and it will be ready to be used as it is. I'm not good at Blender yet, but if you are experienced, you could also be able to clean it up before rigging it. I'm just going to show that this character can be rigged for animation easily by creating an armature and applying it to the character. Please look to other tutorials if you are interested more on this topic. Honestly, this took me more time than necessary. As you can see, the character is fully rigged and movable, even though exaggerated movement may break the mesh. Alternatively, we can use Mixamo, a free browser-based AI solution from Adobe. After signing in, we can upload the character that we created by zipping the necessary files and uploading them to Mixamo. Then we just need to select few points such as chin, wrists, elbows, knees, and groin and hit mix to generate the rigged character. After a minute or so, the model is rigged and you can use any animation from the collection to animate your character. This alien has got some moves. We can then export the rigged animated model as an FBX to be opened in other software such as Blender, Unity, and Unreal Engine. Back in Blender, we just need to open the FBX and scale it up if it is too small, hide the rest and hit the play button. And that's it. We created our 3D model completely from AI using AI to read it and animate it. There is probably still a long way to go before this method creates something very detailed, but I think that it has potential for future applications. I have other projects undergoing and I would love to share with you, So if you like this video, please like and subscribe for more in the future. Until the next time, goodbye.